What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you my cordless air compressor. This tire compressor, you can get it from Amazon. I am lucky that I came across with this type of air compressor, and this is a product item, model number LS4006, and it comes with the user manual. So that's the user manual. So it's a multi-function cordless tire inflator. Working voltage of this powers of this air compressor is 7.4 volts. Rate work is 96 watts. Battery capacity of this air compressor, portable air compressor, is 2000 milliampere. Inflation is 185 to 70 R14 for 7 minutes. The maximum inflation pressure is 120 psi, and pressure unit is a psi, bar, kPa, and kg. And the length of this, it's 30 millimeter by 10 millimeter. Operating temperatures 0 negative Celsius to 0 Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. So the product size of this is 180 by 106 by 45 millimeter. The product weight of this is 550 grams. And as you see, it's lithium ion, 7.4 volts, 2000 milliampere, and that's the model number. I am lucky that I came across, and I got this from Amazon way back. I've been using this for almost, if I'm not mistaken, approximately 5 years already since I got this, and it came with the charger. So this is the hose. Though this hose is detachable, and it has an LED light on the top. This one's easy to use. All you need to do, just you need to turn this in. But after you use this tire inflator, never hold this, because this is a very hot, and it comes with the basic tire. This one is for the tire to inflate it. This is made of plastic, and it came with the nice bag, portable bag, and it came with this as well for the ball and some accessories. Okay, I'm showing you guys how am I going to use this. First thing and foremost, you need to attach this, attaching like this, and then you need to turn this on. Now it's already on. I still have like 3 juice battery. So I basically set the target PSI to 35 PSI. The PSI target, you can adjust it to the positive and negative. So if you want to adjust it like that, 34, but I basically adjust it 35. Because if you adjust it to 35, you will get a 36 PSI for the tire pressure. It's not accurate as like any other tire pressure compressor, but at the end of the day, this one can fill up all the tires for your vehicle. I have an SUV, as you see. This is an SUV, a 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander, and I filled up 3 of those tires. Now this is the last tire that I need to fill it up. And my wife called me this morning. She said that she has a low pressure sensor appears on the dashboard. So I told her, did you check the tires? She said she didn't check it, but she drive it safely. I told her, if you feel that there's something wrong with the steering wheel, you need to drive it safely and park it to the shoulder, and let the AAA or either I'll go there to fix the tire. But my wife able to come back to our home, and I check it, and upon checking the tire pressure, the tire pressure of the vehicle of my wife is 29 to 30 psi. That's why it it alarmings to her dashboard that I need to fill up this tire. So now I'm gonna set to 35 psi. Now you see the tire pressure right now is 30 psi. I need to press this button. There you go. Now it has a light, LED light. Just wait for a while until the tire filled up with 35 psi. As you see, the tire pressure now is going up, 31.5. Our target tire pressure is 35. Now it's 32. We need to wait for another minute or so. Now it's 32.5. Later on, this air compressor, portable air compressor, will shut off by itself once it reaches the 35 psi. Now it's 33. It filled up really fast. $34. One more psi, and this one will shut off by itself. $34.5. Now the PSI stop at 35 PSI. That's the target PSI I set it up. As what I tell you guys, the 35 PSI, if I'm going to check it with my tire pressure gauge, my digital tire pressure gauge, I'm showing you guys. This is my digital tire pressure gauge. This one is a little bit accurate. And then I set the PSI, check it up. Now it's 35.5. So I need to add up more. I basically put 36 psi to the tire. Now this one has a 35, so I need to add up a little bit more. So that's how you guys will use this tire pressure air compressor. The air compressor, this is a compact 2000 milliampere. I don't know if you guys are able to see it. 2000 milliampere lithium ion. The reason why I have only one or 2 bar left, 3 bar left, I recharged this like 3 months ago. Now is a cold season. It's month of January, and the tire pressure of my wife depleted, and that's the reason I need to inflate it using this air compressor, cordless air compressor. If you guys are looking for air compressor, I highly recommend you guys try to search this type of air compressor. You can see it from Amazon. I got this for 40 something, like $47. I've been using this for so many years and I don't have any problem. So whenever you guys store this type of air compressor, make sure that every month check the battery level by pressing this button. You are able to see if you guys have still juice to your battery. Right now I have 3, but after I use this, I need to recharge this again using the USB charger that it came with it, so that in the event that my wife complained regarding the tire pressure of her car, so she will do it by herself. I already taught her how to use this tire air compressor. I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel, and if you guys found my YouTube channel helpful, kindly help me to subscribe, like, and share, and comment down below. I catch you guys later for my next video. Thanks for stopping by. May God bless you all. Bye for now. God bless.